Good morning, students. Open your English reader book, page number 28. Firstly, we will read these words of OU sound, because our next chapter number 8, A Mouse in the House, is based on OU sounds. Okay, students, firstly we will read these words: house, mouse, blouse, out, stout, shout, ouch, couch, pouch, count, found, mount, hound, sound, round, ground, around, proud, loud, bounce, mountain, fountain. These all words are based on OU sound. Firstly, you will read these words and then you write all words on your notebook.